Welcome back, my YouTube family and friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead. This one is in the billing field. It is a billing operations associate for Pi Insurance Company. Now, this is remote within the United States only. But they are looking for someone to be responsible for collecting late payments on customer accounts with final audit balances. You'll also be reviewing policyholder accounts in their systems and contacting them to discuss their financial resources, set up payment plans, assist with auditing, billing, and invoices, as well as billing and collection duties. So you will have to do some phone work with this job. On top of doing the customer collections, you'll also be doing some reporting and record keeping. You'll develop and maintain a tracking system on the call attempts that you've made, incoming and late payments, and different payment plans that you have set up for people. You'll submit regular reports on the status of unpaid accounts and any repayments in progress. Now, they don't require any kind of a college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. They do want somebody who has 1 year experience in customer service. They prefer somebody who has also a year of collection experience, but that is not required. They do need somebody who has a verbal and written communication skills, someone who has a problem-solving skills, someone who has the ability to perform in stressful customer situations, because when you're calling them to collect unpaid balances, they're not probably going to be very nice. So let's just be honest. Someone who can multitask and make decisions on the information they've gathered. But if you feel like you are up for that challenge, they are paying anywhere from $20 to $25.72 an hour. And of course, on top of that, they offer a benefit package including paid time off, a 401k, and of course, health benefits as well. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I'm always reading that and keeping that in mind. Or if there's any feedback to what I can do better with these videos, I'll leave that down below as well. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.